This presentation gives some details of RH blood group, comes under genetics. You may be knowing the blood in human distinguished into 4 types: A, B, AB and O types. And this distinction is made based on presence of A or B antigen or both or absence of either of the antigens. In addition to this, there have been reported some more antigens on the red blood cells of the human. About 49 antigens reported so far, which are said to be non-AB antigens in general. Among them, RH antigen, considered very important because of its clinical significance. Now these RH antigens, determined by a pair of genes, RHD and RHCE, which are haplotype. Haplotype in the sense they are closely linked and adjacent to each other on the chromosome. Even there are the reports about the exchange of nucleotides between these genes to become into some new alleles. And these genes located on chromosome number 1 in human and at locus 1p34-36. Already we told the meaning for this. First chromosome, short arm portion, and the numbers 34-36 indicating staining bands. Now these genes in total determining these antigens, RHD, RH capital C, small c, capital E, small e antigens. Anyway, this RHD gene is specific to RHD antigen, and there is no report of small d antigen. Even though there are different RH antigens, this RHD antigen considered to be highly immunogenic compared to that of other RH antigens and also in general non-AB antigens. Here you see the arrangement based on the decrease in the immunogenicity of antigens. Now this antigen, presence of antigen in human blood was first reported by Levin in 1939. Now including the presence or absence of this D antigen in human blood, that is on red blood cell, ABO blood group may be distinguished into 8 types. So based on AB antigens, it is of 4 types only. But when it is combined with the presence of D antigen or absence of D antigen, what is said to be RH positive or RH negative, there the human blood can be distinguished into 8 types as shown here. A plus, B plus, that is A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, and 4 more negatives: A negative, B negative, AB negative, and O negative. Now here the symbol for this RH positive given as suffix to ABO system, that is A plus B plus that way. Now here a routine method, a clinical method of finding out, differentiating the ABO groups along with the RH blood group. For the